Just clearing some snow here. My parents' property. A little bit steep here going up to the top. Probably could have made it in the pickup, but had some passengers screaming every time we slipped. So here we are. Dad was going to be moving some snow anyway, so first thing first, he's going to make us road up to the top. We're not trying to make it look pretty here. We're just trying to plow in a quick access for the pickup to get up to the top. That's a 2011 John Deere 60D. About just under 6,000 hours. And a pretty good unit. The G series, we will say, is I would say is a significant upgrade, especially in cab size. They claim it's a 10% bigger cab, but it feels like it's at least 50% bigger. Benefit of the Deere D series is no emissions on the motors. That's always a plus. No DEF, no DPF. Things on this unit, but other than that, it works great. Tell, but it is quite steep here. It's about 5% grade right there. It gets even steeper near the top, probably closer to 7%. You never want to stand behind the machine while it's working. You always want to stay in the operator's line of sight, unlike myself, what I've been doing here. Sounds of it, Gary's got that thing idled at about 80% throttle. Day out here, about -7 Celsius. Oh, we just lost the snow on top of the cab. And just because it's on tracks doesn't mean it can go anywhere, guys. Once you get sliding on an incline like this, she can really want to go, so you always want to have a plan. If that happens, if it takes off, you're going to want to throw the bucket down and stop yourself from sliding. You always want to have a good feel for the machine you're running. doesn't look like much, but if you don't have any experience, could want to go for a slide on you. That's about it, guys. It's moving some snow today.